First command is that we will learn how to open command prompt in administration mode. It is very simple. We should press first Windows plus R. Then we will press write CMD. If you press enter, it will open normal CMD, which you can see. We will open administration by again we will write Windows R and CMD. Now we will use that control shift then enter. So when we will do that, we can open administration mode in the CMD. So this is very cool tip which you have not learnt in your school. I will definitely tell that. So let's move to the next command. Now we will see how to change the color. Here we are looking so boring. We will make it something like hacker feel. So for that we have many options. So I will tell you how to make it like hacker style. So we will write color A. So A will make it green. If you want other colors like blue, green or red, we will know their code. We can do is that color / and we'll write H, which will help us to find many codes for that. Here you can see 0 we can put for black, 8 for grey, 1 for blue and many. I will show you. I will put here blue, color 1, see it become blue. If I put color 3, it will become aqua. Any color you want you can put. If I put again color 5, it will become purple. Here you can see. So it is very cool tip if you want to become like hacker or Sigma style, means not real hacker. Let's to get feel something. For that you can use this color tag. Now let's go to the fourth code, which is very simple. Here it is that here you can see it is become very screen messy. So first I will make it color A, so look it nice. Here you can see it is full of messy, more code and what. For that, if you want to clear your screen, there is one shortcut called CLS, clear screen. If you write it and press enter, boom, everything gone. Literally everything gone. So it will help to clear your screen. It is very useful if you get messy up your things. Let's move to next trick. Now in school we have learnt how to change the time and date of our computer. It is very long process going to control panel, finding date and time option, but you can do it on your command prompt also. Yes, you guessed it right. Just you want to open administrator and you should type here time and what time you want to set. Let's make it night 0000. Boom, the time changes. Here you can see at the bottom 12 am means we are at night. So if we again wrote time, now the current time is 6:17. So boom, again it changed, but it is in PM. So what we should do is that time in 24 hours clock we know that 16 is 18. So 18/17. Here you can see it become 6:17 of night PM. So we can also change the date also like that. Date, we should write date and then we should put the date which you want. Like I want 20 of February 2011. If I did that, here you can see at the bottom it automatically changed the day and took the date as 20 February 2011. If you want to again do it back, we'll press again date. Today is 18th March 2026. Boom, again it came back to 18/3/26. So did you like it? If you like it, please like and subscribe. Let's move to next trick. Now do you want to know where our computer is using his own energy, means where it is utilizing, which apps are utilizing more or any problems are there while utilizing the energy? For that there is one command is there, power cfg/energy. When we press it, it will scan our whole PC and check where if there is any energy leakage or any errors. That all it will check in 1 minute. So let's wait till it. Now here you can see we have got something called HTML. It is telling it has made a report. Here we can see 9 errors, 8 warnings and 19 informational. So we will press Ctrl M and copy it. Now we will open any browser we want. You can open any browser like Chrome, Microsoft Edge. I am here opening the Brave browser. I will paste it here and I will press enter. Here you can see I have got the report, power efficiency diagnostics report. Here it is the diagnosis on their computer. Here you can see computer name, scan time, scan duration, BIOS version. Here telling errors, power policy, dim timeout is disabled, means it will not off itself in inactivity, that all it is disabled. And what errors are there, warnings means CPU utilization is more, we should increase RAM or battery, that all it is telling. And here you can see some information they have given on it is all about that. Only if you are more techy person you will understand this all stuff. Now let's see the next. So we will again clear screen. Now we will learn how to see our battery health. Like that only it will make one report and give. For that we should write power cfg / battery report. Something error came, so let's say again. We should write battery report without any space. So power cfg battery report. Oh, sorry, I wrote the spelling wrong. Power cfg / battery report. Now it will do some scanning over the computer, means how the battery life of the laptop is there. So here you can see battery life report have been saved to file path. So we will simply copy it, the file path, because it is in HTML, so we can view it on our browser. Again we will paste this here. Here you can see battery health, our computer name, system, OS, and here you can see how much battery is there. Battery 1 is there, and here it will show at what time your computer was active and how much battery it was remaining. Like now it is 100%, you can see here fully charged. So total 35,000 mAh watt is remaining. Here more it is some graph they have given to understand battery life. Here you can see battery drains over the last 3 days, how it drained. Here it increased, again down, again up, down. Here are some more information which you definitely not see, but you can see is that it will tell us how the battery is. If it is very poor, then you should replace battery. If it is nice, then don't worry, continue. Now let's move to the last command. Now let's see something cool and interesting. We will see our computer's IP. So for that we should write IP config. Here you can see clearly see IP config I have written, then I will press enter. Boom, here I have got the IP address of my computer. I am blurring it because we should not share our IP like that. So our computer IP address will be IPv4 address 10 points something it will be. So you can also check it out. So how was the video, guys? If you liked it, please share to all your computer friends, and subscribe and like, and let's grow the new channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.